Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix suspended Twitter or X account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up any browser that you are using and then you need to simply search for suspended Twitter account. Once you have searched for this, you just need to tap on Twitter Help Center on the top, which is the official help center. And then you need to scroll down to this Get Help Unlocking Your Account section. And as you can see, if I scroll a little further, we have this File and Appeal button. So simply tap on this. And this will take you to a new page where you have to submit all of the details according to your Twitter account, like your Twitter username, email address, and the description of it. But make sure to log in with the same account that is locked or suspended. Right now, I have logged in with my other account. So in order to switch your account, upon the three bars in the top right, and then tap on Sign In button. Once you do so, you will be able to submit and file an appeal of this Twitter action. And then you just need to wait for the Twitter response from their official help center, whether they are going to suspend your account or not. So that's basically how you can recover suspended Twitter or X account. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.